Hey, this is Tim. Making a little part today. Got a mold made up on there. It's for a customer. This is my mold, um, and we are going to give it a go. I'm going to show you my process. So, take a piece of saran wrap to block off the ends, so it doesn't squeeze out of there. Kind of go like that. Give it a little squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna take my cup. This one's gonna be about a 20 milliliter pour, so about 10 and 10 on that. This is Alumilite casting resin. All right, stir that up. This stuff sets fast, 10 minutes. Pre-colored black, so I got to work kind of quick on it. So that's about it right there. Boop. And then I kind of open up the mold. Can't see it. Pour about half in there. I'm going to kind of move it around to get any air bubbles out of there. Kind of worked out. Some comes out, that is just fine. Doesn't matter. And then I'm going to finish it off. Pour it in there. It doesn't matter if it squeezes out a little bit. There we go. Wait about 10 minutes and it'll be ready to demold. Okay, I think it's go time. You can kind of feel the plastic, make sure it's hardened up to make sure you're not going to pull out a squishy part. Get rid of those guys and then take off the little saran wrap holder, because this mold goes like that. You can see the part in there. You just kind of get it all squeezed out of there, and you can pull it out. You don't have to be too gentle. Just get it out of there. Oop, there it is. So it's still a little pliable. Set it on a flat surface, and it'll be good to go. I'll trim these little pieces of flash off of there with a knife or something, and I top coat these with a paint, so the texture is not a big deal at this time. So that is how you do a mold for an old car part that they don't make anymore. This is my desktop setup. So I've made looks like 16 parts so far. So those are ready to be cleaned off and painted. I've got another one going. I'm gonna make a few extras. This order is for 12, so should have a few extra for another time. So that is the operation.